In the previous video, you learned about the rational number on number line. That's very clear. Now we will do the remaining sum of exercise 4F, where the comparison of the rational number is there. In the previous video, I said to you, and I have said several times before also, positive rational number positive and negative, or rational number positive and negative. Let me tell you, all the positive rational numbers are greater than 0. All the negative rational numbers are lesser than 0. Could you understand? Now, lesser number, lesser, see, if you say about the integer, negative integer, lesser the numerical value, more is its value, isn't it? Similar aspect here also, for rational number also, all the negative rational number, if the denominators are same, the more the numerical value for the negative rational will be lesser than that. You could understand these two aspects you keep in mind. First of all, 0 is greater than all the positive rational number. I say to proper fraction is always greater than 1. That aspects 1 I say to you, and here I am talking that 0 is greater than all the positive rational number. Okay, now moving on to which one is greater. Definitely question number 1 has said, question number 2 is said to 0, and see another thing I will tell you, rational number whether the denominator is 0 or the numerator is 0, rational number value will be negative. This is minus 7 by 5 this, or if it is minus 7 by 5 also, the value will be same. You understand? There is no difference whether numerator is means multiplication divided by division also, I mean plus divided by minus is also minus, minus divided by plus is also minus. You understand? Now which is greater? 0 is greater, this is minus 7 by 5. I said you all the positive rational number are greater than 0 and all the negative rational number are lesser than 0. See, minus 7 by 5 is equal to minus 1 over 2 by 5. If you do it, it's fine. You need not to do it. 0 is greater, as it is a negative rational number, 0 is greater than this. Could you understand? Now, this one, question of 4, 0 and minus 1 by 3 by minus 1 divided by minus 3. Minus minus will be cancelled. In this case, this is equal to 1 by 3. See, this is a positive rational number. It is greater than 0, so this is greater. So, in this case, 0 is greater because it is a negative rational number. And in this case, 1 by 3 is greater because greater than 0 because it is a positive rational number. It was a negative rational number, that is why 0 was greater. It was a positive rational number, that is why the rational number is greater. Now we want to here another example I have taken. Minus 17 by minus 21, minus 19 by 21. This can be written as the minus is the common sign for the rational number 17 by 21, and here minus is the common sign for 19 by 21, isn't it? Now we need to know these two are negative rational number. Negative rational number, more the numerical value, lesser its value. Same rule applicable here also. The denominators are same, so like rational number means like fraction there. Therefore, actually this is, if it is a plus sign, then this would have been greater than this, isn't it? But as it is a minus sign, negative, definitely minus 17 by 21 will be greater. I hope you have understood. Now we want to question number 3, which is greater, the two fractions. You can go for the cross multiplication, there is no problem. That possible also you can go for it. See, go for minus 35 and minus 33. Minus 35 and minus 33, which is greater? Definitely minus 33 is greater, therefore this will be greater. Else, you convert this one into, like fraction. Minus 3 by 5 and minus 7 by 11, if you 3 see the 3 5 and 11 LCM will be 55. 3 into 11 minus 33 by 55, and here will be 35 by minus 55. So among this which is greater, that definitely minus 33 by 55 is greater. Minus 33 by 55 is the value of which one? That is 3 by minus 3 by 5. So this is greater. Always go for the cross multiplication. It will be minus 35. It will be minus 33. Minus 33 is greater. So therefore this is the number is greater. Okay. This one again you can go for the cross multiplication. 13 11s. It will be 143 minus 143, and this one if you multiply it will become 17 5 is a minus 85. Definitely minus 85 is greater than minus 143, therefore this will be greater. But if you make these two as a like rational number, 17 into 11 will be the LCM, that will become 287 will be the LCM, and then see if you divide this you will find 17 5 is 85 minus 85. Now if you divide 287 by 17 you will find 11 into 13 is 1 minus 143. So if you convert it like term, it will be minus 85 by 287 and minus 143 by 287. Definitely minus 85 by 287 is greater. Therefore this is greater. Otherwise go for the cross multiplication. Two fractions are there, but keep it in mind, minus value for the mode number will be lesser in them. Now arrange in ascending order similarly as the way you have done in fraction. First compare with two or more fractions are there, more than two fractions are there, you have to just go for the like fraction. Minus 3 by 4, say 4, 8, 12, 16. LCM obviously will be 48. 16 cannot divide 2 times of 16 with 32, cannot divide by 12. So 3 times of 16 is 48, can be divided by all three numbers, all 3, 4, 8 and 12. So 48 will be the LCM. So 48 is the LCM. How much will multiply to 4 to get 48? Definitely 12. So 12 is multiplied with denominator, it will be multiplied with numerator. Now 48 divided by 8 is 6. So 6 will be multiplied both numerator and denominator. Now 48 divided by 12, definitely 4 will be multiplied both numerator and denominator. 48 divided by 16 is 3, both numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 3. You make it. So minus 3 into 12 by 48, minus 5 into 6 by 48, minus 44 into minus 44 by 48, and minus 45 by 48. So out of that you arrange it. Lesser the minus value is always greater. Therefore minus 30 by 48. You have to do ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. So greater the minus value will be lesser. So for minus 45 by 48, then minus 45 by 48, then minus 36 by 48, then minus 30 by 48. That you order you write it down with this sign. Then ascending order, don't write down the answer as the way it is given. Ascending order you put in comma, but before that value or what value you are taking out, that can be given with this sign. So minus 45 by 48 is whose value? It will be minus 15 by 16. That is the least fraction out of this rational number. Then minus 44, the next number, minus 11 by 12 is value. Now minus 36 by 45 is whose value? Minus 36. It will be minus 36 or minus 30. Minus 36 is whose value? 3 by minus 3 by 4, and 30 by 48 will be minus 5 by 8. So this will be the ascending order. I hope things are very easy. You need to just revise and do. Descending order, another sum I have taken, the question of 4 I have taken. LCM of 6, 12, 8 and 24. Definitely 24 will be, because the 24 can be divided by 8 also, 24 can be divided by 12 also, 24 will be divided by 6. On division by 6 you will get 4. 4 is multiplied with both numerator and denominator of minus 5 by 6. Now on division by 12 you will get 2. So 2 will be multiplied with minus 7 and 12. Now 23, 3 on division by 8 you will get 3 8s are 24, so 23 will be multiplied by 3 and 8 will be multiplied also with 3 and 24 into 1 and 19 into 1. Now you do it, minus 20 by 24, minus 14 by 24, minus 23 into 3 is minus 69 by 24 and minus 19 by 24. Arrange this one in descending order, greater order. The smaller the negative number, that is minus 14 by 24, then is minus 19 by 24, then is minus 20 by 24, then is your minus 69 by 24, and minus 14 by 24 is the value of minus 7 by 12. Next number will be minus 19 by 24. The same it is given, and then minus 5 by 6 is the value of minus 20 by 24, and the last is minus 23 by 24. So this way the descending order can be. Things are very simple. You need to do it. Doubt if any, you are definitely welcome to